The cooking, the lights, the holiday decorations, the shopping, the organizing of all the things. Does this get to you sometimes? Is it getting to you right now in the middle of this holiday season? If so, tap along with me right now and dial down the intensity of those feelings so that you can have a little bit more fun and maybe even enjoy the process. Welcome to the 12 Days of Stressmas, a little EFT tapping support to help you get through the holiday season. My name is Stephanie Wood. I'm an EFT tapping trainer and practitioner for more than 20 years and the creator of ULTRA EFT, which stands for Understanding Life Through Realization and Awareness. Let's get right to the tapping. By tapping along with this video, you agree to take full responsibility for your own well-being. So let's begin by getting tuned into the feeling. So when you think about all that stuff you still need to prepare, all the decorations, all the shopping, all the cooking, all the things, even as I'm just saying that, notice what starts to happen in your system. I'm guessing if you're watching this, it does bother you and it is getting to you. Otherwise, why would you be here right now? So what I'd love for you to do is take a rating on a scale from 0 to 10, of 0 being, I feel nothing about it, no problem, 10 being, I'm like kind of about to crash and hit the wall with this. So notice where you're at on that scale. And remember that as we're doing this, you can change the words so that they're appropriate for you, because there may be something about this that bothers you more than other things. So tapping on the side of your hand. Even though I have so much to do, there's so much to organize, there's so much to coordinate, there's just a lot to do. I really acknowledge that fact. Even though I still have cooking to do, maybe some shopping, maybe some wrapping, maybe some cleaning. That's like my not favorite thing. That's what's on my plate. And I have some feelings about it. And I am honoring those feelings right now. Even though I still have so much preparation to do. And it feels a bit much. I'd love to see something new about this. Top of the head. There's so much organizing to do. Inside of the eyebrow. Maybe I have social gatherings to coordinate. Side of the eye. Maybe there's still decorations to buy or put up. Under the eye. Maybe there's still gifts to take care of or wrap. Under the nose. Maybe I still have shopping for food or cooking to do. Chin. Maybe I still have cleaning to do. Collarbone. I just have stuff to do. Under the arm. And I have some feelings about it. I'm not having fun right now. And the wrist, I'm just not having fun with this right now. Top of the head, aren't the holidays supposed to be fun? Inside of the eyebrow, it just feels like there's too much to do. Side of the eye, I feel kind of stressed about it. Under the eye, all these stressful thoughts and feelings about all of this. Under the nose, there's so much preparation to do. Chin, and I'm feeling so stressed about it. And just take a breath, shake that off. And I'm going to give you a little tool right now that you can use anytime that kind of gets you a little relaxed and centered. So think about all that stuff you need to do, all that preparation. See if it's lighting you up with like stress or whatever the feeling is for you of not wanting to do it, any resistance, whatever that is for you. Just notice where it is in your body if you can. Tune into it. So take a finger, your index finger's great. You can put it anywhere on your body, on your thigh, on your chest. This is fine. And close your eyes. And what I'd like you to do is really feel where that finger is touching your body. Notice it. Notice if it's cold or hot, and just tune in. And I'm going to do this with you. And just feel it. You don't have to press hard. It's not about that. It's about an awareness. And now take your other index finger and just place it symmetrically on your body. And now notice that finger. Tune into that one and where that is touching your skin or your clothes. Notice the pressure. Notice the temperature. Just notice it. And now tune into both fingers at once. And feel both of them at the same time. And when you're doing that, see if you can notice a feeling in your body that arises. A you feeling, like a euphoric feeling. And if you can, notice that feeling. And now tune into the you feeling if it's there. And if it's not, just stay tuned into those two fingers. Now become aware of that you feeling and the two fingertips, like a triangle. Have an awareness of all three areas at once. And just breathe normally. Now tune into that place in your body where you noticed the pressure or the overwhelm or whatever the feeling was that you had about all the stuff you need to do. And now come back to that triangle of awareness of the you feeling in your two fingers. And if you can't access that, you can just begin again with one finger. Notice it. The other finger, notice that. Then notice both fingers. And then notice the you feeling. And then go back to the more stressful feeling. And then see if you can tune into all four places at once. So the stressful place, the you feeling, and the two fingers. And now come back just to the you feeling. And then take a breath and release that. Open your eyes. And notice how you feel right now. It's just a quick little tool that you can use anytime, any place. So let's continue tapping on the top of your head. What if this could be fun? Inside of the eyebrow. I have some stories that say that this is, and what is your story? Is it that it's hard, that it's too much, that you don't like it? Whatever your story is, just name it. Side of the eye. What if I could simplify things, even if I don't think I can? Under the eye. What if I don't need to be so hard on myself about all of this? Under the nose. Will the world fall apart if I don't buy Christmas napkins or serviettes? I don't mean to be cheeky because sometimes there are so many things to do, but you know what I mean? Like it's that we think we need to have it all. Chin, do we need to have it all and do it all? Collarbone, what if this pressure didn't get to me? Who would I be? under the arm. What if I could really relax about all this? And the wrist. What if this could actually be fun? Okay, take a breath, shake that out. And finally, just check in again with that feeling. See how you are right now. If you still feel stressed about this, continue tapping, go back and listen to this again, or just get on with your day and it will likely subside. Now, a really cool side effect of this type of tapping is that you may notice insights or clarity about any of this in the coming moments, in the coming hours, or even in the coming days. It's kind of like a gift that keeps on giving. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're feeling more centered and grounded now. Be sure to check out the other tapping videos for the 12 Days of Stressmas if you need any more emotional support over the holidays. And a final note, tapping videos are never ever meant as a substitute for seeing a qualified EFT practitioner or for learning how to tap on yourself properly through a course or training with an organization like EFT International that's accredited. Thanks and happy tapping.